So how to transfer money from Revolut to Monzo. So to transfer money from Revolut to Monzo, you're firstly going to want to open up the Revolut app, and you just want to go ahead and click on payments right at the bottom here. Then once you've clicked on payments, you should get a list of all the payees in your Revolut account. So to go ahead and add a new one for Monzo, you just want to go ahead and click the plus icon right here. Then once you've done that, go ahead and select bank. And then from here, you can go ahead and input the Monzo bank details, such as your sort code and account number. And if you don't know what your Monzo sort code and account number are, if you open up the Monzo app, the sort code and account number of your Monzo account will be displayed right here. So as you can see here, my sort code is 040004. And then next to that will be an 8-digit account number, which obviously for the example of the video, I've blurred out, but you should see the 8 digits right where the arrow is pointing on screen. But jumping back to where we were with Revolut, you just simply want to input the sort code, account number, and full name of your Monzo account. Then once you've inputted those details, click the arrow here, and then you'll need to go ahead and input the amount that you want to send over to Monzo. So for the example of this video, we're going to say £10. Then once you've inputted the amount, click continue, and then you'll be asked to review your details again, and if you're happy, click send. And there you have it, and you've successfully now sent money from Revolut to your Monzo account. And if you open up Monzo, you should see the transaction come through within a few seconds, but obviously sometimes, for various factors, it can take a little bit longer. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.